Hey everybody, welcome to our assignment today. It's an activity on the Apollo 11 space launch. This was done in 1969, and this was the first time human beings ever landed on another um, object. They landed on the moon, and the moon's not a planet, so I called it an object. But it's the first time we ever launched into space successfully in this way. So it was a very big deal. Now, today, the first thing you're going to do is look at a bunch of pictures, all surrounding the Apollo 11 launch. They're all very famous pictures. You're going to click on this link right here. It's going to take you to artsandculture.com. And there you have plenty to look at. There's a lot of famous pictures. You're going to have a lot of fun looking at the world in 1969. As you can see, we didn't have the same types of technology back then. Anyway, so you can spend a lot of time looking at these pictures, and I encourage that you do so. Now, when you get back to the Padlet page, I want you to comment, and I want you to make 3 comments. Now, these comments are about something that you saw in the pictures, and they're surrounding one of these themes. So 1969, NASA, Apollo 11, the astronauts, or spacesuits. So I want you to comment on something new that you noticed, that you learned. For example, if we're going to comment on spacesuits, I learned that spacesuits are really baggy. At least they were in 1969. Are they still? I don't know. I'd have to check that out. But that could be one of the things that I learned, right? So I learned that spacesuits are really baggy. I commented on that, and maybe I learned something else about 1969. Maybe I learned that telephones were really big. They were enormous. So those are 2 comments. And then I'd write a third. Maybe I'd write a third on 1969 if I really like 1969 and I wanted to write 3 comments on just this, that's okay. As long as you write 3 things about something new that you learned. And then you'll be done with today. All right. Have fun.